Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? How is your preparation for competitive level of examinations? This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. So, in this channel, I'm going to discuss about the various levels of examinations, especially objective type, with amazing super tips and tricks. Today's video is one of the important video. In this topic, I'm discussing about the lecture 2. Already I explained as a lecture 1. The topic is so in this topic, just you have to crack the so many points we can come across. All those are easily. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to follow what are the basic concepts, tips, and tricks. Within a fraction of seconds, you can crack the more number of questions. The topic already set you circles. In circles, lecture 1, I have given to you concept of the circle, definition of the circle, various equations of circle. Depends upon those points. I discussed some questions. That video is there, in the link is there in the description. Definitely you can watch it. Now we come to the lecture 2. In this lecture, because of this is used topic circles, we can come across at least 5 to 6 lectures. Then only we can complete the total syllabus of the circles. Right? We have only 1 or 2 questions I'm not doing. I'm covering the more number of questions. Depends upon the all those points what are given in each lecture. Okay, in this lecture 2, I'm discussing about the first of all what are the notations you have to know. These notations are useful throughout the circle chapter. Not only circle chapter, I will give the hints how can you use those notations for some other chapters also. Same concept only, but only chapter will be changed. That is only difference. But what are the notations you have to know? And also I will discuss about the point, line, position with respect to the circle, lengths of the chord, intercepts, position of the point, as well as a chord of contact. Few of the points I am discussing in this lecture. So depends upon that one. I will do the questions. I will give some questions to you also for your work. Just try to do it. So this is most helpful to you because this is applicable to MSET level as well as a mains level. Already I said to you in mains 1 question guarantee. So MSET nearly 5 to 6 questions will come from this only single chapter. Let's look at the notations. These notations are mostly helpful throughout the chapter. So first of all, already said to you in lecture 1 what is a general equation of circle. General equation of circle is denoted as a symbol S. That is, notation is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. If s is equal to 0, suppose if you take that is the equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, we can take. That is first you have to know this is general equation of circle. General notation of circle is what? X squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, it is denoted as s. We can observe that in this general notation, it is a x square y square. Here x square y square quotients are each is equals to 1 and x quotient is 2z, y quotient is 2f, c is a constant. You have to remember like that. If x square y square quotients are equals to 1, then only can take it as s. From that we can use S11. S11 is what? Simply to find out S11 notation, wherever xy is there in the equation S, replace x1 y1. That's it. Means what? x1 y1 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2zx1 plus 2f y1 plus c. That's it. S11. In case of S1, it plays very, very important role. S1. S1 in the sense, we can observe that I'm giving the hints also. How can you split it? Don't by heart. So I will give the examples also. How can you take the notations as S, S1, S11, etc. S1. Is it clear? S11 means what? Simply in place of x, we can replace the x1, y1. That becomes S11. Now S1. In the S1, we can observe that what is S here? First term x square, y second term y square. These two are second degree terms. Second degree terms we can take it as x x1 plus y y1 plus this is x term. X term quotient is what? X quotient is 2z. 2z off we can take. What is off of the 2z? G. Off of this x quotient g we can take of x plus x1. Sum of x and x1 plus similarly f. Y quotient is what here? Y quotient is 2f. Off of the 2f is f. F of y plus y1 plus c is as it is. That's it. So how can you find out S2? Can you? Yes, simply here in place of x, so S1 x1 is there, S2 x2 plus y2 plus g of same way what I explained here, g of x plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus c. Now I can come to the S12. In case of S12, first number indicates the 1, second number indicates the 2, means first quotient is x1, x2, x1, y1 like that. Second is x2, y2 like that. Same way, wherever maybe S12 is there, that one you can take what? x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus again half of the quotient of x, that is g of x1 plus x2 plus same way y quotient is to f of is f of y1 plus y2 plus c. So these are the various notations we are using throughout the circle chapter. Not only circle chapter, for other chapters also like parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. There are the notations, same way we can follow them. Here in case of circle we can use the circle equation, there parabola, ellipse, hyperbola equations, but splitting of S1, S12, S11, same process what we are doing in the circles only. Is it clear? I will give the one of the example. Suppose S is the one of the circle equation are given to you. X square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal 0 are given to you. S is equal 0 circle here. You know, first of all, this is standard general equation or not? Yes, clearly general equation, because x square y square quotients are h is equals to 1. After that, I want S1. S1 means what I said? For S1, we can take second degree terms like x square, we can add x into x1 plus y, we can add y into y1 plus x quotient is what here? 3. Half of the 3 we can take. S1 for S1, S2, S12 we can take half of the quotients here. X quotient, y quotient we can take off. For S1, S2, S12. S1 I am writing here x1 plus y1. What is half of the x quotient? X quotient is 3. Half of the 3 is 3 by 2. If it is not exactly divisible by 2, we can write as it is. Of first term is x plus x1. First term is x and next one x plus 1 plus x1. Oh, can you guess next one? Yes, y quotient is 4. Half of the 4 is 2. 2 of y plus y1 plus 1. If you want S1. S1 is equal to 0. If you want, you can equate 0. Clear? Can you find out S2 from this example? What is S2? Yes. Second term 1 x1 y1 plus we can take x2 y, x1 x2 plus y y2 plus 3 by 2 of x plus x2 plus 2 of y plus y2 plus 1. What about S11? S11 means simply you can replace in place of xy is x1 y1, means simply x1 square plus y1 square plus 3x1 plus 4y1 plus 1. These are the notations we can come across in circles. So some example I will give to you for a parabola also. Just I will discuss there just for understanding purpose. Suppose parabola equation, it will be like this: y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal 0. This is one of the equation of parabola. You can get the idea how it is in the parabola chapter. Just I have given how we can use these notations in other chapters also. Process application is same. This is a parabola, one of the parabola equation I have taken as here also. S is equals to, what is S1 for this one? What are the first degree terms here? 3x is first degree term, 4y is the first degree term. What is second degree term? Y square. I said to you, for y second degree terms we can write like y so there will be y square y1, x square x1, like y square we can write y1 plus x degree term, 3x is first degree term, x quotient is what? 3. Half of the 3 we can write, that is 3 by 2 of x plus x1 plus here 4y. Y quotient is 4, half is 2. 2 of y plus y1 plus 3 as it is for S1. What is S12? Suppose we want S12 in case of this example parabola. Yes, can you? Yes. In place of the first letter we can use the 1, second letter 2, means what? y1, y2 plus half is same only 3 by 2 of x1 plus x2 plus 2 of y1 plus y2 plus 3. Like that we can use a notations throughout the circles lesson. Next chapters also we can use the notations. Those are very helpful to crack the more number of questions. Is it clear? Once again you can concentrate, because from here onwards I am using the notations wherever maybe we need. Okay, so now we'll come back to some tips and tricks which are useful to today's lecture. So what are those? Look at here. These tips which are helpful to this lecture too. So depends upon these tips and tricks, I am doing the questions. You can concentrate what are the tips and tricks I am explaining. These are clearly like this. Already I said to you notations are what. Now we can come across the first tip. If p x1 y1 be the point and s is equal 0 be the circle, then what are the tips related to point? So first of all you can observe that position of the point with respect to the circle s is 0. Position of the point is where it is with respect to circle, that is maybe outside or on or inside the circle according to the condition. So maybe the point is outside or on or inside the circle. The conditions are S11 greater than or equals to less than 0. Means three conditions will be here. S11 is greater than 0, S11 is equals to 0, S11 is less than 0. When it will be S11 is greater than 0, the point is outside the circle. When it is equals to 0, S11 is equals to 0 when the point is on the circle. And automatically S11 is less than 0, the point is inside the circle. That is position of the point with respect to the circle. I said to you what is S11 notation. Now power of the point. Power of the point is simply S1. The resultant value of S11 is simply nothing but power of that point. These are the names, notations, tips and tricks. You have to remember, then we can crack the questions easily which are depends upon these tips, right? So power of the point, what is the power of the point? S11. Next, from the point he may ask the longest and shortest distances. What are the distances? Longest and shortest distances from a point of that circle, which are mod Cp plus R and mod Cp minus R. What are the C and R? You know, C is center of the circle, R is the radius of the circle. We will give the circle and point. From the circle we can find out center and radius, and we will give the point. What is the longest distance formula? Mod Cp plus R. Shortest is mod Cp minus R. By adding these two, that is sum of the longest and shortest distances is 2 into Cp. What is sum of the shortest and longest distances is 2 Cp. I am writing in short way L, S and ds also. Okay, as SD, LD. LD, SD also we can write longest distance and as well shortest distance. Okay, what are the longest and shortest distances from a point to the circle? Mod Cp plus R and mod Cp minus R respectively, and its sum is 2 Cp, where C is clearly center and R is the radius of the circle, right? Now you can come across these are the various points with respect to the position of the point and maybe power of the point with respect to the circle. Those are points. Tip 1 related to point with respect to the circle. Look at the point 2. Point 2 is given position of the line with respect to the circle. Position of the line, some L is equal to 0 with respect to the circle S is 0. There will be 3 stages. Maybe line touches the circle like this by the figure 1. Maybe line intersect the circle according to the figure 2. What is the third figure? Line do not intersect, is passing outside the circle. In these cases, there will be relation between R and D. Here D is simply distance from center to a line. What is the D? D is distance from, that means perpendicular distance from center to the line. Whatever maybe will be the line, we can find out distance from center of the circle to that line. That is taken as D. So in this case, what you can observe, the R, D are equal when the line touches the circle. Here R is greater than D when line intersect the circle. Here R is less than D when line do not intersect the circle. These three are depends upon the position of the line to the circle. Is it clear? Now we can come to the third point, which is related to chord. You know what is a chord? Chord is simply line joining 2 points on the curve. Here the curve is simply circle. So chord means a line joining 2 points on a circle. The points which are related to chord like equations of the chords as well length of chord etc. are given here. We can look at, right? What is the first point under the chord? Equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Actually you have to know what is the chord of contact. This is a plays very important role. So in objective type especially, indirectly, directly, that's we have to know what is the definition of chord of contact. So we can observe that from this figure, P is any point outside the circle. From this we can draw the two tangents like P and PB. Those are meet at touch at 2 points A and B. Line joining this is AB is called as chord of contact. The line joining AB is nothing but chord of contact. Means definition wise, what is a chord of contact? Line joining the points of contacts of tangents drawn from a point to the circle. What is the definition of chord of contact? The line joining the points of contacts which are drawn from point to the circle. That is called as chord of contact. All these definitions are similar to next chapters also. Instead of circle, we will say there parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, but definitions are same. Okay, what is the equation of chord of contact? What is the equation of AB? Simply S1 is equals to 0, right? Now can come to the next one. Second point under the chord, equation of chord having the midpoint x1, y1. You will get the midpoint x1, y1. What is the equation of chord? That is S1 is equals to S11. What is the equation of chord having the midpoint x1, y1 is? S1 is equals to S11 as well as length of the chord. So it's also very important. So mostly we can use these tips and tricks. Length of the chord is 2 root r square minus d square. What is the length of the chord? 2 root over r square minus d square. Then if the length of the chord having the midpoint x1, y1 is 2 root mod s11. What is the length of the chord having the midpoint x1, y1 is? Simply if we give the having the midpoint x1, y1, you can use 2 root mod s11. This is also known as least length of the chord. That is also known as what? Least length of the chord is indirectly chord is having the midpoint x1, y1. So these 3 points like length of the chord, least length of the chord, and then the next fifth one, length of the chord where hence A theta 1, B theta 2. Already in lecture 1 I said to you, theta is simply parametric point. Parametric points are given where theta 1, theta 2 are parametric angles. Then what is the length of the chord? If the parametric angles or ends of the chord are given, then what is the length of the chord? 2 mod r of sine theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. These formulas are simple, no need to worry, just we have to read and apply. If we apply, definitely we can remember it. Is it clear? So what is the length of the chord? Having the ends are parametric points from theta 1, theta 2 is 2 mod r sine of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Now we'll come to the intercepts. Next point is intercepts. Intercepts, he may give the circle. We will ask the x-intercept, y-intercept. Maybe the circle do not intercept the coordinate axis. What are the conditions? We have to know. What are the formulas? You have to know. Intercepts. Let s is equal to 0 be the circle. Suppose length of the x-intercept of this circle is what? 2 root g square minus c. What is the length of x-intercept of the circle? 2 root g square minus c. Y-intercept is 2 root f square minus c. So next, circle neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis. Then the conditions are in the circle neither intersect nor touch the coordinate axis. Then the conditions are g square minus c less than 0 and f square minus c less than 0. This is also we can write g square is less than c, f square is less than c. Also we can write. These are the various points are given which are depends upon what? Point, chord, line, lengths of the chord, etc. By depends upon these points in this lecture, I will finish some questions. Definitely we can follow easily. So if you have any doubt regarding this, definitely you can make a comment. Otherwise you can contact through my mail ID. So I will be cooperate 100% with you. Now we will start the questions. Are you ready? Yes. We can follow all these tips and tricks. So if you want, you can take some screenshot. I will be side with 2 minutes. Then we can carry on. right? Now ready to concentrate on the questions, right? Look at the questions one by one. Come to the question number 1. What is given? The power of the point, one point is given, power of this point with respect to the one of the circle is double the power of the same point P with respect to the other circle. Given that power of the point with respect to two circles relation. What is the first one? The power of the point, what is the point here? 1, 2 with respect to circle is double the power of the point, same point with respect to the other circle. Then he is asking some unknown value k. For this, power of the point, what are given? Power of the point is simply S11. If the circle, there will be two circles. Now we can take this is some S. Suppose here this is S, this is S dash. Suppose if you take indirectly given that S1 is 2 times of S dash 11. Double means what? Twice. S11 means with respect to first circle, the power of the point. I said to you to find out S11, what we can do? Simply we can substitute this point. Suppose if we take x1, y1, we can substitute this point as it is in the circle equation. Wherever x, y there, right? I'm taking directly x1 square means 1 square is 1 plus next 2 square is 4 plus 4 into x is 1 plus 2 into y is 2, y1 is 2 plus 3 is equals to 2 times of S dash 11 means second circle equation. Here we can substitute the same point. 1 square in place of x 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus k. Okay, can we simplify, right? Here 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 here plus 3 is left side. Right side 2 times of here 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus k, right? Now what will be here? 3 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 3 16. 16 is equals to 2 times of 9 plus k. 2 cancel 8 times, therefore it becomes 8 is equals to 9 plus k. Simply what is the k value? K is 8 minus 9 is minus 1. That's it. In this question, what is given? Point is power of the point. That is S11, right? We can come to the next question. What is given here? The greatest distance from a point of the point from the circle. The greatest distance. What is the given formula for greatest distance? Greatest distance formula is mod Cp plus R. To find out the greatest or shortest distance, first you have to find out what is center and radius. Already point is given. This is you can take it as x1, y1. Now what is center of the circle? Already in lecture 1 I have given to you. What is center of the circle? Minus a minus f. When it is standard form, x square, y square coefficients are equal each 1. That's why we can take center of the circle minus a minus f form. Here what is the 2z? 2z means x quotient 2z is minus 4. 2f is y quotient is minus 2. 2z is x quotient is minus 4. 2f is y quotient is minus 2. From this what is g? G is minus 2. F is minus 1. GF value see how. But what are the coordinates of center? Minus z minus f. We can change the signs here. That is c of minus z means plus 2 will come here. Minus f means 1 we can get. This is a center. Center now radius. What is radius formula I have given? Root over g square plus f square minus c. That is root over. These are given in lecture 1. We can watch that video also. We can follow what are these formulas. G square plus f square minus c. G square is a 4, right? F square is a 1. Even the minus whole square also 1 only. With the c, with the minus c. Minus or minus plus 20. In place of c, constant minus 20 is there. 20 plus 5 is 25. Root 25 is 5. What are the coordinates of the c as well as the radius? Already given point is 10, 7 as a point P. What is shortest distance formula? Cp plus R. Greatest means longest is asking. That is mod Cp plus R. First find out the Cp. The distance between the C to P. Distance between the 2 points, that only I am using here. 10 minus or minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 square is 64. Plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. This is 100, root 100 is 10. What is CP value is 10. CP value you know, R value you know. Therefore, what is the longest distance? That is also known as maximum distance, also known as greatest distance. I have written in short form LD. That is mod CP plus R. That is equals to CP is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, right? We can use a modulus. If there is a negative sign, we can take it as positive because distance is always positive. Is it clear now? This is depends on what? This is depends on greatest distance, right? Now can come to the question number 3. The value of k such that the power of the point with respect to the circle is minus 16. Here power of the point is given as minus 16. Some unknown value k is asking. As usual, again, what is the power of the point? S. Tell me, what is the power of the point? S11. Here this point is x1, y1. Directly we can substitute. S11 is given as minus 16. S11 means what? You can substitute 1 and 6 here. In place of x is 1, 1 square is 1 plus y 6 square is 36. Plus 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 6 into 6 is 36 with the minus k is equals to minus 16 is given. Plus 36 minus x 36 gets cancelled. 1 plus 4 is 5 with the minus k is equals to minus 16. What is from this one? Minus k is equals to minus 16, that minus 5 is minus 21. Minus k is equals to minus 21 is simply k is equals to 21. That's it. That model is question is given in MSET. One of the year MSET it is given. Clear? So now we can come to the next question. A circle with center of circle is given such that the line is given. Line cuts the chord of length 6. Means one length of the chord is given as 6 units. Then center is also given. We can find out radius of the circle. Okay. So if this line, suppose this is circle. This is the line. What is the line here? X plus 2y plus 2 is x plus y. X plus y, equation of the line x plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Intersect the circle at a length. What this length is given as? Length of the chord is given as 6 units given. Now we can find out radius. Length of the chord formula. What is given length of the chord? Yes, that is 2 root r square minus d square. So already C is there and line is there, length of the chord is there. We don't know the radius. Radius we have to find out. For that, first of all, D we can find out. D is what? Distance from perpendicular distance from, if we take this is C to line. This is the distance. That one you have to find out. You know perpendicular distance formula. What is the perpendicular distance formula? You can recollect here. Ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. This is there in straight lines. That only we are using here. A means what? X quotient is 1 into x1 is 2 plus 1 into y1 is 4 plus 2 by root a square plus b square. A square is, a is 1, b is also 1. xy quotients. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, right. This is simply 4 plus 4, 8 by root 2. This is the D. D is 8 by root 2. You know the length of the chord is given as 6 means what? What is given? 2 root r square minus d square is given as 6. Given this is. Right? 2 3's cancel here. Now simply r square minus d square is equals to 2 cancel 3. Squaring on both sides, r square minus d square is 3 square is 9 will come. Already d value we got 8 by root 2. Therefore, r square is equals to 9 plus d square. 9 plus d square is what? 8 8 is 64 by 2. 9 plus 64 by 2. 2 9s 18. 18 plus 64 is 80. 80 by 2. Not 80. 18 plus 64. 18 SS. 82 by 2. after LCM. 82 by 2 means what? R square is 2, 41's only 82. R square is root 41. He is asking R only. R is equals to root 41. He is asking radius. Radius square is not asking. Radius is root 41. Is it clear? Just you have to concentrate what is given data here. Given that center and line is given and length of the chord is given, we can find out the radius. That's it. In case of theoretical chapter, reading the question, be careful while reading the question, because you will go the indirect direct data. You have to read the sentence by sentence. We can get the clear idea about the given data. Then we can focus easily. Reading the question only takes too much time. So easily you can focus on what are maybe tips and tricks. Easily can crack it. Is it clear now? Now we can look at some more questions. Look at the question number 5. The sum of the squares of lengths of the chords intersected by the line x plus y is equals to n. You know length of the chord. I have given to you length of the chord intersected by a line with a circle. What is that formula? 2 root r square minus d square. That is one length of the chord. Like that there will be lengths of the chords in this line where n belongs to capital N. N is here, capital N means natural numbers. You know natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. We can choose the natural numbers. Then we have to find out in this question sum of the squares of such lengths of the chords. Sum of the squares of such length of the chords you have to find out. So what are those you have given? We can concentrate on this one. Suppose this is a circle. This is a line. What is the line here? X plus y is equals to n. Is equals to n, we can add minus n is equals to 0. So length of the chord, suppose I draw the here one of the chord. Like such a number of chords maybe depends upon the n value 1, 2, 3 and so on, because n is given particularly natural numbers. For finding the length of the chord, we need the center of the circle as well as radius of the circle. You know center of the circle here? 0, 0. And the radius of the circle is 4. R square is 4, R is equals to 2. Are given to you in the lecture 1. What are the various forms of the equations of circles? If you know the center at 0, 0 radius is R, what is the equation of circle? X square plus y square is equals to R square. Here R is clearly 2. To find out length of the chord, we need the D also. D is simply distance from center C to line. You know, according to the perpendicular distance formula, what is that formula? Mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. We can use this formula. This one is there in the straight line chapter. That is I am using here. Here center of the circle is 0, 0. So from the 0, 0 to this line distance, according to this formula, is equals to mod of a is a 1 into 0, 0. You know this is from the 0, 0. But here from the x1, y1 this is. From the 0, 0 what is distance formula? Mod c by root over a square plus b square from the 0, 0. Because of here center is 0, 0. This one you can use here. In place of c what is there? N is there with minus. Minus n by root over a, b. A is 1, b is 1. 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Therefore, d is n by root 2. What is distance? Length of the chord. That is I have taken as d, that is 2 root r square minus d square. This is what? What is d here? Length of the chord. Okay. Length of the chord I have taken as 2 root r square minus d square formula. According to this formula, this is clearly 2 root. What is r here? 2. 2 square is 4 minus d square. D square is n square by 2. So this is the length of the chord. Okay. What is n here? Given that n belongs to natural numbers. Suppose n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1. We can find out, suppose this is taken as a some d. N is equals to 1 means what? D1, distance 1. n is equal 1, if you substitute here, what happened? 2 into root 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 by 2 is what? 8 minus 1 by 2, 7 by 2. With 2 is also there here. Okay, now for d1 is equals to, so 2 into 7 by 2. What is d1 square? Is equals to, what is the d1 square? 4 into 7 by 2. 2 2's cancel, it will be 2 7's 14. That is the one of the distance square we got. Now, by taking n is equals to, what happened? d2 is equals to 2 root over n is equals to means what? 2 square 4, 4 by 2 2, 4 minus 2 is a 2. Okay, what is d2 square? d2 square is equals 4 into 2, 8. Okay, suppose n is equals 3, what happened? By taking n is equals 3, here 3 square is 9, 9 by 2 is what? 4.5. 4 minus 4.5 is what? Negative. Under square root, negative is undefined. If take n is equal 3 is undefined, similarly 4 is undefined. That's why from here onwards, we cannot choose the n values. Only 2 of the lengths of the squares we got. What are those? d1 square is a 14, d2 square is a 8. He is asking its sum. Its sum is what? Sum of the squares of distances is asking. Its sum is equals to 14 plus 8 is a 22. Very simple. Once again, briefly I will explain. He is asking the sum of the squares of the lengths of the chords intersected by the line and the circle where n belongs to natural number. Length of the chord formula, you know that clearly 2 root r square minus d square, where r is radius, d is distance from center to the line. From the given circle, what is center? Center 0 0, radius is 2. We can find out distance from center to the line. We can use a formula, already given that formula, mod c by root over a square plus b square. According to that formula, we got the n by root 2. So now we can use the distance formula, length of the chord formula. According to that one, we got the length of the chord. So by taking the n values 1, 2, 3 and so on, first n is equals to 1. If you choose, we can find out d1, distance 1. Its square is 14. N is equals to, its square is 8. N is equal to 3 onwards, it will be negative. Under square root, negatives are undefined. That's why no need to take the 3, 4 and so on. So these two lengths of squares are enough. By adding them, we can get the answer. He is asking that one. It is a 22. Now next, the same model question which is given JEE Mains 2019. This question I am giving to your work. You can do it. Only difference here and here. Here circle equation x square plus y square is equals 4 is given. Here x square plus y square is equals 16 is given. What is the equation of circle here? X square plus y square is equals to 16 given. That is only difference here and there. We can try to do this one. We can mention your answer in the comment section. Definitely I will check it. Is it clear? Now we can look at the question number 7. In the question number 7, if a line passes through the point, what is the point here? 1, minus 2 and cuts the circle at A and B. I will draw the figure. This is a circle. This is a line. This line cuts the circle at A and B, right? Which is drawn from the point some P. Okay. A line passes through the point P, cuts the circle at A and B. Then he is asking maximum value of PA plus PB. PA in the sense that is longest distance from P to the circle. PB in the sense shortest distance from P to the circle. He is asking the PA plus PB. That means what? Sum of the longest and shortest distances he is asking. What is the given tip? Sum of the shortest and longest distances is 2CP. The tip I am using here. Here C in the sense center of the circle. First we can find out center of the circle. What is center of the circle here? According to minus Z minus F. Tell me. S 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. C. Already P is given as 1 comma minus 2. What we want? PA plus PB is indirectly sum of the shortest and the longest distances. That is 2CP. We can refer the tip. We can get the clear idea. That is 2 times of distance between the, distance between the 2 points formula square root of x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square is in the sense 2 2 is 4, minus 4 minus 1, minus 5 whole square is 25 by 2 square is 4. Here I am writing here minus 5 by 2 whole square, right? Now this becomes 2 times of root over 1 by 4 plus 25 by 4. In the sense 2 into root over 25 plus 1 is 26 by 4 means what, under root 26 by root 4 is 2. 2 gets cancelled, becomes 26. Clear? This is only maximum distance of PA plus PB. Here he is not mentioned anything like longest and shortest distances sum. But according to the given data, we can recognize PA plus PB in the sense sum of the longest and the shortest distances. By this figure you can understand. Clear? Now we can look at the next question. In this question, what is given, you can concentrate. If the chords y is equal to mx plus 1 of the circle subtends an angle 45, if the chords, what is the equation of chord? Y is equal to mx plus 1 is given that chords, because m is some variable is there, that's why he has mentioned as chords of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 subtends an angle, how much angle? 45 degrees at the major arc of the circle. To understand this data, I am drawing the figure. Suppose this is a circle, a chord intersect the circle at 2 points, somewhere else it will intersect, right? This chord means what? Joining the 2 points. So intersected somewhere else. The equation of chord is given as y is equal to mx plus 1. I am taking this as mx minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Which subtends, you know what you can observe by this figure? This line divided the circle into two parts. Above one part, below one part. This above part is major part. Below one is minor part. This is called as major arc of the circle. That is called as major arc of the circle. That is only given. If the chords y is equal to mx plus 1 of the circle subtends an angle 45 degrees at the major arc, means what? This subtends an angle 45 degrees at some point P on this major arc. This is 45 degrees. Okay. Now we can observe that we can find out m value, some unknown value m we have to find out. Here one point you have to recollect, which is there in your lower classes. If the chord makes an angle some theta at some point on the circumference of the circle, angle at the center will be double. This will be double. Suppose this is theta, angle at the center is 2 theta. Here 2 theta means here, this is angle is, how much angle here? 45 degrees. This is must be 90 degrees. See, if we take the C is a center, AB are the ends of the chord. Okay, what is the point I'm using here? If a chord makes an angle some theta at the any point on the circumference of the circle, the same chord makes an angle 2 theta at the center of the circle. That point we have to use here. Okay, so indirectly what is angle ACP? Angle ACB is equals to 90 degrees. If you draw the perpendicular line like this, some D if we take, what is angle BCD is equals to 45 degrees. Angle BCD is equals to 45 degrees. This is totally 90, half is 45 degrees. Now to find out m value, shall I use from triangle BCD cos 45 degrees equals to, you know, cos theta is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? CD. CD is simply distance from center to the line. D I have taken. D by BC is simply nothing but what? Hypotenuse here, radius. Indirectly cos 45 is D by R. D is what? Distance from center. What is center of the circle? 0, 0. 0, 0 to this line, that is mod C by root over a square plus b square, right? C is 1 by root over m square plus 1 square is 1 only. This is d value. D is 1 by root over m square plus 1. What is radius of this circle? 1. So cos 45 value, you know, 1 by root 2. D is 1 by root over m square plus 1. You know, radius is 1. Something by 1 is that thing only. After that, what you can get here? Root over m square plus 1 is equals to root 2 by the cross multiplication. Squaring on both sides it becomes m square plus 1 is equals to 2. M square is equals to 1. That means m is equals to plus or minus 1. Like this we can find out m values. Clear? This is one of the indirect question which is a given application. Like that you may frame the questions like logical, analytical applications, etc. Different types of models you may do. You have to come across all those models. Definitely can crack the solutions. Clear? This is the question number 9. Question number 9, given that the length of the chord joining the parametric points, given that parametric points are what? Pi by 6 parametric angle and as well as pi by 3 on the circle. Simply I have given length of the chord. If you know the parametric points, that is 2 mod r sine theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. That one you have to use here. First of all, r is what? Radius of the circle. You can find a root over g square is minus 1 whole square is 1 plus f square minus 2 whole square is 4 minus c plus 3. That is root 8. Root 8 we can add 2 root 2. You know the formula. What is the radius formula? Root over g square plus f square minus c. That is all I am using. Right? Radius we got. What are given? Theta 1, theta 2. Theta 1 is pi by 6 is given. Theta 2 is pi by 3. What is the length of the chord formula? Length of the chord, that is 2 mod r sine of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. Once again I am writing here. That is 2 into mod r. R is what? 2 root 2. Sine of theta 1. Theta 1 is what? Pi by 6. Pi by 6 minus pi by 3. Pi by 6 means what? 150. 150 minus pi by 3 is 60. 150 minus 60 is 90. 90 by 2. 90 by 2 is 45. That is 2 to 4 root 2 into, what is sine 45? Yes, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. That final answer is 4. This is the only length of the chord. Has given the parametric angles and circle equation. That's it. Clear? So very simple. Just you have to know the formula. Next question, which is given same model question, angles are changed, which is in MSET 2017. This is I am giving to your work W. Why W means for your work, you can do it. You can mention your answer in the comment box. You know, instead of the pi by 6 and pi by 3 angles are pi by 3 and pi by 6 are the points on the circle with center is 0, 0 and radius is only given directly 12. Compared to this is it is very easy because direct radius is given, angles are given. Just we can substitute in the formula. That's it. We can calculate from your side, right? So now we can look at the question number 11. The circle sounds the equation neither touches nor intersect the coordinate axis. The given circle is neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis. That is first sentence. As well as and the point 1, 4 lies inside the circle, and also given that point, one point is given which is inside the circle. Here two conditions will be. One is the circle neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis. That is given as a last tip. And second one is inside the circle. The point is given point is inside the circle. You can look at the tip number 1. The point is inside the circle. S11 is less than 0. If the circle is neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis, g square minus c is less than 0 and f square minus c is also less than 0. Both we have to use here. Then he is asking the options are given here. Then some unknown value k range is asking. That is we can find out easily. First what is this? 2g is equals to minus 6. G is a minus 3, right? 2f is minus 10, F is a minus 5, C is a K. Okay, what is the first sentence? Neither touch nor intersect the axis. Last tip I have given, G square minus C less than 0 and F square minus C is also less than 0. That is I am using. G square is 1 minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 minus C is a K less than 0 and F square, F is a minus 5 whole square is 25. 25 C is a K minus K less than 0. From this what you know, K 9 is less than K and 9 is 25 is less than K. Indirectly K is greater than 9 and K is greater than 25. From this what you got? K is greater than 9 and K is greater than 25. From these two combinations, you know every value which is greater than 25 is also greater than 9. Means what? Simply by these connections we can take K is must be greater than 25. Okay, you can use a number line also for your convenience. Here somewhere else 9, here somewhere else 25 is there. K is greater than means what? It will be like this, greater than 9. Greater than 25 means it will be like this. Every value which are greater than 25 is also greater than 9 only. That's why by these two equations we can find out K is must be greater than 25. This is I used the first sentence. Neither touches nor intersect the coordinate axis. What is next sentence? The point is inside the circle. The point is taken as some x1, y1, point 1, 4 inside the circle. First point. What is that? S11 is must be less than 0. I said to you S11 means we can substitute the point directly in the circle equation. 1 square is 1 plus y plus 4 whole square is 16. 1 into 6 with minus 6. Minus 10 into 4 minus 40 plus K less than 0. You know 16 minus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 40 is minus 29. Plus K is less than 0. What is K is less than 29. What we can observe that here? Here K is greater than 25, K is less than 29. Therefore from 1 and 2, suppose if you take 1 and 2, from 1 to what you know? K must be lies between 25 to 29. That's it. K must be lies between 25 to 29. That's it. Which option? Yes, that is clearly third option. You have to concentrate the two of the conditions. What are the two of the conditions are given in the tips? Those only have used here. Is it clear? Now we can come across some more questions. The question number 12. So by observing the question it becomes too lengthy, but very simple way, easy way I am explaining. What is that? Look at the question first of all. A line passing through the point minus root 8. A line is passing through this point and makes an angle 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. A line which makes an angle what? How much angle? 135 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Intersect the circle, x is equals to 5 cos theta and y is equals to 5 sin theta. Indirectly parametric equations of circle are given. X is equal to 5 cos theta, y is equal to 5 sin theta means what? Its center is at 0, 0, radius is 5. Means for first I will draw the figure, just only drawing the figure is enough here. For that we can get the clear idea how we can find out the required result. I am drawing this as circle whose center is at 0, 0, radius is r. What is radius here? 5. So I am drawing like this, center is at the 0, 0 means origin. This is center. And one line is there. Line is not given, but that line what happened? That line is passing through which point? Minus root 8, root 8. Minus root 8 is in which quadrant? Yes, it is clearly in the second quadrant. It is passing through like this and makes an angle 135 degrees with the x-axis. Means what this angle is? 135 degrees. This is 90 plus here 45. 90 plus 45 is 1. This angle is given as 135 degrees. Okay, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. This line is passing through the point. Suppose if you take that point is P minus root 8 comma root 8, which makes an angle 135 degrees with the x-axis, and also intersect the circle at A comma B. It intersect the circle at AB. So indirectly, what is AB here? He is asking AB. Indirectly, what is AB? AB is clearly diameter length. That's it. Length of the diameter. Simply have to draw the figure. It is clearly, AB is clearly diameter or not, because of this is makes angle 135 degrees, means here 90 plus 45. It is clearly intersect the circle in two equal parts. That means it is a diameter. So what is radius of circle given? Circle radius r is equals to 5. So indirectly what is AB? AB is equals to diameter, that is double of the radius. That is 2 into 5 is a 10. That's enough. See how much importance is there for drawing the figure. Drawing the figure is important in case of the, especially in geometrical part. Then we can get the clear idea. That's it. Is it clear? Length of the AB is indirectly, length of diameter is asked indirectly. Now I can come to the next question. Question number 13. The circle so-and-so intersect the line at two distinct points. I given to you relation between the circle and the line. Intersect the circle, what is the condition? So this is I am doing here. This is a circle, this line. Line is what here? 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equals to 1 m, we cannot, minus m is equals to 0. Intersect the circle at 2 points. Suppose if AB, if we take, no need to take, then m range is asking. He is asking the range of m. If intersect the circle, what is the relation between the r and d? Compulsory r is must be greater than d. I have given that tip number 2. In that I have given to you. R is greater than d. What is r? Radius of the circle? We can find out radius of the circle first. Root over minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 8 of is minus 4 with minus 8 of minus 4 whole square is 16. G square plus f square with minus c means minus or minus plus 5. Root 25 is a 5. Right. This is a r. What about d? D is a simply perpendicular from center. What is center of this circle? Center is a 2 comma 4. You know center is minus z minus f. That is a g is a minus 2. Minus z means what? 2. F is minus 4. Minus f means what? 4. Center to line distance. That is a 3 into 2 6. Minus 4 into 4 16. Minus m by root over 3 square 9 plus minus 4 square is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. You know 6 minus 16 is minus 10 minus 9. Minus 10 minus m, that is 10 plus m also we can write under modulus by root 45 is 5. What is r is equals to 5? D is equals to modulus of 10 plus m by 5. Now therefore what is the condition? R is greater than d. Therefore simply what is r here? 5 is greater than d. D is what? Mod of 10 plus m by 5. Take the cross multiplication here. 25 is greater than mod 10 plus m. Right? You know one notation, that is mod x is less than 5 means what? X is lies between minus 5 to plus 5 we can write. Suppose 5. In place of 5 some a I am taking general point. Mod x is some a. Indirectly what is x? X is lies between minus a to plus a. Like that mod of 10 plus m is 25. Means what? Indirectly what is this value? Mod of m plus 10 is less than 25. Just by using this tip, mod of m plus 10 is less than 25 means according to this one, what is the resultant value? M plus 10 is lies between minus 25 to plus 25. By taking the 10 in this side becomes minus 10. Minus of minus 25 is minus 35. minus 10 minus 25 minus 35 less than m less than 25 minus 10 is 15. Therefore, what is range of m? Range of m is minus 35 to 15. Yes, that is second option. So, you may ask the range here. What I used? What I used here? Relation between the line and the circle when it is intersect the circle. If the line intersects the circle, compulsory r is greater than d. That point only I used here. You know what are the r and d. We can collect the range of m from this one. Is it clear? This is the important question. So you can concentrate. Now you can look at the next question. What is next question? 14th question. If the point is a, if the point, what is the point here? 1, 2 is the midpoint of the chord of the circle and equation of chord is given here. This is, then he is asking the a minus b plus c. Here some unknown values a, b, c are there. We can find out first midpoint of the chord. What are given tip midpoint of chord? Equation of chord having the midpoint is S1 is equals to S11. That is we can find out first. Given point is you can take some 1, 2 is x1, y1. What is the equation of chord having midpoint? Midpoint x1, y1 is S1 is equals to S11. I have given S1 means what? Xx1. Xx1 means what here? 1. Plus y1 is 2. Minus, in case of S1, S2, S12, we have to take the half of the quotients of x and y. X quotient is minus for half is minus 2 of x plus x1. X1 is 1. Minus 4 of y plus y1 is 2. With the plus 10 is the left side. What about right side? S11 means what? Completely, clearly we can substitute this point on this equation of circle. 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is a 4 minus 4 into 1 is 4 minus 8 into 2 is a minus 16 plus 10. Now this is left side. X minus 2x, x minus 2x is minus x. Y terms plus 2y here minus 4y minus 2y. Next, what about next constant here? Minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Minus 2 minus is minus 8 is minus 10 plus 10 gets cancelled. This is only left side. What about right side? Calculation part you can do carefully. Right side here 10. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 6 minus 5. Right? This one shall I rewrite as x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is given as compare with the given line. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. What is a? A is x quotient is 1. B is a y quotient is 2. C is a constant is minus 5. What is asking? Therefore, a minus b plus c. A is a 1. B is a 2 with minus 2. C is a minus 5. So 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Like that we can use this question. We can do this question. Here I use the equation of the chord having the midpoint x1, y1 is S1 is equal to S11 formula. Is it clear now? Look at the question number 15. Length of the least chord. Length of least chord which passes through the point of the circle. What a given tip? Length of least chord is also known as length of the chord having the midpoint x1, y1 is 2 root mod S11. This is formula for length of the chord having the midpoint is also known as least length of the chord. So 2 root S11 under modulus we can use, otherwise minus of. Otherwise we can use, already I used modulus. S11 means again same. We can substitute this point is here. Circle 2 square 4 plus 1 square is 1 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. with minus 13 under modulus because it becomes negative. Root over plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. What will be left? 1 minus 4 minus 13 minus 17 under modulus. 1 minus 17 is minus 16 under modulus plus 16. Root 16 is 4. Root 16 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. This is only our least length of the chord. What is the least length of the chord? I have given the formula, that only I used here simply. That's it. Clear? Now I can come to the question number 16. From a point 2 comma 2 root 2, tangents PQ PR are drawn to the circle. For this I will draw the figure, you can get the clear idea. Okay, from the point, this is circle. From the point we can draw the two tangents to the circle. This is one tangent, this is another tangent which are drawn from the point P. Right? What are the PQ, what are the names given? PQ, PR. This is a Q, this is R given. Right? And also given that what? To the circle. What is circle equation? X squared plus y square is equals to a square. If QR means this thing, touches another circle. What is this circle? X squared plus y square is equals to 3. That is the center of this circle is what? 0, 0, radius is A. What is the circle center? That center is also 0, 0, means those are concentric circles. And the circle is also here, somewhere else here, like this small circle I am drawing. And this line touches this circle. QR line touches this smaller circle. Right? Now we can find out unknown value A. That's it. So first we can draw the figure. By the figure you can get the clear idea. So once again I will explain the figure. From a point, some point P, 2 comma 2 root I didn't write here. PQ, PR are tangents drawn to the circle. This is circle equation. This is outsider circle. X square plus y square is equal to A square. If this QR touches another circle, what is the other circle? They have given like this. I drew like this. Then the value of A is asking. Indirectly, what are given statement here? In the given statement, what are the given points? PQ, PR are tangents, then indirectly QR is what? I explained to you. Chord of contact. Chord of contact is nothing but line joining the points of contacts of tangents drawn from a point. Indirectly QR line is nothing but chord of contact of a point. What is the point here? 2 comma 2 root 2 with respect to the circle, this one. What is the equation of chord of contact I have given? S1 is equals to 0. This is taken as x1, y1. Since QR is simply what? Chord of contact of P with respect to circle. What is the circle here? X square plus y square is equals to A square. What is the equation? S1 is equals to 0. S1 equation means x1. Here x into x1 is this point 2. Plus y1, y into y1 is 2 root 2 is equal to a square. I am writing minus x square equals to 0. Therefore, this is 2x plus 2 root 2y minus a square is equals to 0. We got the equation of chord. QR line we got. Now, what is next sentence? QR is touches this line. Sorry, touches this circle. What is the condition? QR is touches the circle. If the line is touches the circle, what is the condition? R is equals to D. So we can find out what is center of the this one. Since QR touches x square plus y square is equals to 3. What is center of this circle? Center is 0, 0. Radius is R is root 3. What is the condition? R is equals to D. Touches the condition also are given. You can use it. R is what? Root 3. D is distance from center to this line. QR line. Okay. This is QR line. Perpendicular distance again center 0, 0 means mod C. Mod C means what here? Minus a square by root over a square plus b square. Root over a square 2 square is 4 plus 2 root 2 whole square is 8. What is R is equals to root 3. Root 3 is equals to mod minus a square is a square by root 12. Root 12 into root 3 root 36. A square is equals to 36. What about A? A is clearly 6. That's it. Right? We can find out A value. So here you have to use the indirectly code of contact. Thus we have to know the definitions also. So he is not mentioned anywhere else the term code of contact. By the definition indirectly QR is code of contact. Equation of code of contact is S1 is equal to 0. So like this we can use various types of questions. In lecture 1 I covered which are depends upon the like point, line relation, chord, lengths of chord and so on. So I hope so this is helpful to you. You can enjoy this video. Please go through the all questions, do the practice yourself, and what are the tips and tricks have given. You can read out definitely those you can crack easily. Just you have to remember in your mind, recollect in your mind. So definitely you can get it. We have to apply. So I given some questions to you or work. Do it. Mention your answer in the comment box. So I will conclude this video till here. If you make sure to enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. So we'll meet in lecture 3 in new video. Till then, take care. Bye.